things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself, like your style win. Nice things, nice things, nice things.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe video is all about this barbecue fried chicken wings, aka Barbie Fry. Stay tuned to see the full recipe. So here we have some chicken wings that's already washed with vinegar and water, and now I'm just gonna get ready to start seasoning it. Today we'll be using garlic salt with parsley, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, and black pepper. Using clean hands, you're going to start massaging the seasonings into the chicken. You want to get this nice and flavorful, so you're just going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just rubbing everything in. To fry the wings, you'll need 2 cups of flour. You can add the flour to a plastic bag or a ziploc bag or a bowl, but I prefer using a bag because it's a lot less messy. Once you season your flour, you're just going to toss it lightly to combine the seasonings that you just added in. Without overcrowding the flour mixture, you're going to add in as many wings as you can to start coating them. Next, you'll need 2 cups of oil. Over medium heat, we're going to allow the oil to get hot for about 5 minutes. So now you're just going to allow the chicken to fry on each side until they're golden brown. Usually I just do it on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. So right now I'm just turning the chicken over to the other side. Throughout this whole process, I'm going to be turning it twice to get that brown color that I'm looking for. So while the chicken gets done, I'm going to repeat the same process that I did before. Just add as many chicken wings as I can, then dredge them in flour to get them properly coated. So like I mentioned before, right now I'm just going to turn the chicken over to the other side. This is the second time that I'm turning the chicken. You see how it's getting that nice, crisp, golden brown color. That's exactly what I'm looking for. After another 5 minutes, our chicken is ready to be taken out. So now I'm just adding it to some paper towels to get rid of the excess oil. Now I'm adding in the second batch of wings, repeating the same process that I did before. So we're turning them over after the first 5 minutes like we did before, and then we're going to follow up with the same steps like before. How golden brown you want your wings is a matter of preference, but this is how I like mine. So once we're finished frying everything, this is how our wings look. Now it's time for us to move on to the sauce. I'm going to be using ketchup, cane sugar, barbecue sauce, and honey. So once we've added in all our ingredients, we're basically mixing everything all together to combine flavors. So for this step, you can go ahead and just add it directly to your baking dish or your baking rack, but I'm adding this to this bowl because I'm going to be working in my sauce this way. To get the sauce into my wings, I'm using a basting brush. You can use a silicone bristle brush if you want, or you can use the paintbrush style brush like I'm using today, but I feel like a basting brush works best for this process. To finish up our chicken, we're going to place it in the oven to bake for 5 minutes. So here you have it, guys, the finished wings, your Barbie fried wings, barbecue fried wings, whatever you want to call it. They're delicious nonetheless. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you try this recipe. If you're here for the first time, be sure to subscribe. If you're subscribed already, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.